Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Keurig drawer is probably one of the most essential accessories for any coffee lover who owns a Keurig machine, especially if you're looking to streamline your kitchen counter and keep your favorite K-cups organized and easily accessible. Imagine waking up every morning, heading to your coffee station, and finding all your coffee pods neatly arranged in a sleek, space-saving drawer right under your Keurig brewer, eliminating clutter and saving precious counter space while ensuring your morning caffeine fix is always within reach. This clever storage solution not only enhances the aesthetic of your kitchen but also significantly improves the functionality of your coffee-making routine, making it a must-have for busy households and coffee aficionados alike. Number 5. Mind Reader Single-Serve Coffee Pod Organizer. Tired of messy coffee pods? This organizer keeps up to 36 of your favorite single-serve pods neatly stored and easily accessible in 3 convenient drawers. Its clever design fits perfectly under your coffee machine, freeing up valuable counter space. Enjoy a clutter-free kitchen or office. Crafted from durable plastic, this organizer is built for daily use. Rubber grips ensure it stays stable, even during busy mornings. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for your home, the office break room, or even for events and parties. Take your coffee organization anywhere. With its compact dimensions, it won't take up too much space. Its sleek black design complements any countertop. What we like? This organizer offers 3 separate drawers for easy access to your favorite flavors, holding up to 36 pods in total. Its clever design fits neatly under your coffee machine, maximizing counter space. If you have a variety of coffee preferences and want to keep your countertop clutter-free, this is a great choice. What people say? The drawer is sturdy and holds a lot of pods. It fits perfectly under my Keurig and doesn't slide around. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great on my counter. Number 4. Nifty Coffee Pod Drawer. Tired of cluttered countertops? This innovative drawer is designed to hold up to 36 of your favorite coffee pods, keeping your space tidy and your choices readily available. Enjoy a seamless morning routine with its easy slide design. Simply arrange your pods in neat rows for quick and convenient selection, making your daily brew a breeze. This sleek, black organizer not only stores your pods but also provides a stable platform for your coffee brewer. Its chic design complements any kitchen, dorm, or office setting. Don't let its compact size fool you. It efficiently stores your coffee maker on top while neatly housing your pods below, optimizing your counter space without sacrificing capacity. Crafted with high-quality materials, this durable accessory is built to withstand daily use. Its easy-to-clean surface ensures it remains a practical and attractive addition to your kitchen for years to come. What we like? Featuring a smooth sliding drawer, this organizer allows for neat rows of up to 36 K-cups, making selection simple. You can even place your coffee brewer directly on top, combining storage and functionality. If you appreciate a streamlined morning routine and want a stylish solution that integrates seamlessly with your brewer, consider this option. What people say? The drawer slides smoothly and quietly. It holds a good amount of K-cups, fitting about 30 in the top drawer. The design is sleek and modern, and it doesn't take up too much counter space. Number 3. Keurig Under Brewer Storage Drawer. Introducing the Keurig Under Brewer Storage Drawer, the perfect companion for your coffee maker. Keep your favorite beverages conveniently close by. This innovative drawer slides neatly under your Keurig, saving valuable counter space. Enjoy a clutter-free kitchen with this ultimate space-saving solution. It holds up to 35 K-cup pods or 15 K-carafe pods, ensuring you always have your preferred drinks on hand. Keep your countertop free and organized. The wheeled design allows you to easily move your coffee maker forward and backward. Accessing your brewer and the drawer has never been simpler. Crafted from high-quality, durable metal materials, this drawer is built to last. Its sleek black finish complements any Keurig coffee maker. Designed to fit perfectly under all Keurig Classic and Plus Series coffee makers. Its compact dimensions ensure a seamless integration into your kitchen setup. What we like? This organizer boasts a unique wheeled design, allowing you to effortlessly slide your coffee maker forward and backward for easy access to its 35-pod capacity. Constructed from durable metal, it's built to last. If you have limited overhead space or frequently need to move your coffee maker for cleaning or refilling, this wheeled solution is ideal. What people say. The drawer slides smoothly and quietly. It holds a good amount of pods, fitting about 30 K-cups. The design is sleek and doesn't take up too much counter space. Number 2. Goldlion K-cup holder sliding tray. Tired of moving your coffee maker? Our sliding tray lets you effortlessly access your coffee pods, even with limited overhead space. Enjoy hassle-free brewing and refilling. Using it is a breeze thanks to the ergonomic button. Simply press to unlock and move, then release to secure it in place. It's designed for ultimate convenience. Keep up to 36 of your favorite K-cup pods neatly organized. This large capacity ensures you always have your preferred beverages within reach. Place your single-serve coffee machine directly on top. It's the perfect space-saving solution, keeping your coffee maker and pods together without cluttering your counter. With a generous surface area, it fits seamlessly under most Keurig Classic and Plus series coffee makers. Enjoy a perfect fit for your brewing setup. What we like. With its innovative sliding tray and an easy-to-use ergonomic button, this organizer lets you effortlessly move your coffee maker for pod access and brewing. It holds up to 36 K-cup pods, keeping your favorites within reach. If you often find yourself struggling with limited space between your coffee maker and cabinets, this sliding tray offers a convenient and accessible solution. What people say. The drawer slides smoothly and quietly. It holds a good amount of K-cups and fits perfectly under the Keurig. The design is sleek and doesn't take up too much counter space. Number 1. Keurig K-cup holder drawer organizer. Never run out of your favorite coffee again. This organizer holds up to 40 K-cup pods, keeping them easily accessible for your morning brew. Designed to fit most standard drawers, it measures 17 by 11 by 1 inches. Ensure your drawer height is at least 2.5 inches for a perfect fit. Reclaim your counter space. This sleek organizer tucks away neatly in your drawer, keeping your coffee pods tidy and out of sight. No tools or complicated assembly required. Just place it in your drawer and start organizing your coffee pods instantly. Enjoy a neater and more efficient coffee experience. This product comes with a lifetime manufacturer's coverage for your peace of mind. What we like. This organizer stands out with its impressive capacity to hold up to 40 K-cup pods and its versatile design that can be placed directly in a drawer or on a countertop. It requires no hardware for setup, making organization incredibly simple. If you're looking for the maximum pod storage in a compact form factor and prefer a no-fuss, easy-to-integrate solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The drawer is sturdy and holds a lot of pods. It fits perfectly under my Keurig and doesn't slide around. The design is sleek and modern, and it looks great on my counter. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.